Good evening. In the last video, I covered up to LBP number 105, which is nothing but sum of prime numbers present in the array. Sum of prime numbers present in the array. Sir, in today's session, we need to discuss about few more programs related to the arrays. Okay, few more programs related to the arrays. So let me talk about those programs. One minute. Yeah, please wait for 2 minutes, sir. Please wait for 2 minutes. Yeah. So let us start today's session, sir. Okay. So we need to start from LBP number 106. Shall we start? Please confirm. Shall we start? Please confirm. Yes, sir. So sum of palindrome numbers in an array. So we have to find out sum of palindrome numbers in an array. Sir, it is a very simple. Palindrome number means what? Somewhere we discussed this problem already, right? So the number, if you take reverse of the number, so if the original number and reversed number both are same, such type of numbers are said to be palindrome numbers, sir. Okay, so let me implement the problem for that. Sir, you can able to see 5 is the input, 1 2 3 4 5. So if you take every number and if you are trying to calculate reverse of each and every number, what is the reverse for 1 1, what is the reverse of 2 2, what is the reverse of 3 3, what is the reverse of 4 4, what is the reverse of 5 5 itself. So all are palindrome numbers or not? Yes. So sum is nothing but 15. Okay, but if you take another input, you can able to see 121 and then 122 and then 123. Sir, 123 is not palindrome, 122 is not palindrome, hence 121 is the output. Suppose if you take 111, okay, sir, 222, 333, all these numbers are palindrome or not? Sir, what about the sum 666? Like this we have to calculate, nothing but the previous program only. Sir, the only modification what we have to do is nothing but, so we have to implement is pally function. Okay, so I will implement the program, just to have a look once. So I'm taking same C program as it is here also, but in the place of is prime I'm taking is pally. Okay, is pally. So instead of is pally, shall I took like this? Sir, a of I is double equal to reverse of a of I. So that means what? If you calculate reverse of the given number, it should be same as the original number. Then I want to calculate a sum. So we have to define the function for that purpose. So what is that function name? I am taking reverse rev. So which is taking a number n. Okay, so integer I am taking digit, and reverse is equal to initially 0. Next, while the value of n is not equal to 0, I am taking digit is equal to n percentage 10, reverse is equal to reverse into 10 plus d, n is equal to n by 10. Like this I am taking. Finally, we have to return the value of, we have to return the value of r, because already I explained how we are going to get the value of r. Okay, how you are going to get reverse, how you can calculate, already we discussed in the previous examples, sir. So all the three test cases are passed successfully, and if you submit the program, yes, all my remaining test cases also passed successfully. This is nothing but, sir, how you can able to do the program in C language. So same program I want to implement in Java. So let me go with Java implementation. Sir, how you can able to solve the program? Sir, same like previous program or not? Yes. Reading array, writing array is the same, but meanwhile we have to calculate some of these values. For that, I am going for a separate function. Okay. So what is that function? If a of I, that is array, is double equal to reverse of that number is also same, means, so then we have to take. So static integer I am taking. Sir, what is the function name? Reverse of integer n I am taking. So integer reverse is equal to initially 0, and I am taking digit. So while the value of n is not equal to 0, so d is equal to n percentage 10, reverse is equal to reverse into 10 plus d I am taking. Okay, so then n is equal to n by 10 I am taking. That's all. Finally return the value of r. So automatically what will happen? It will return reverse, and we are checking. Sir, you can able to see all the test cases are satisfied, and let us submit the program for final approval. You can able to see all the remaining test cases also satisfied, sir. This is nothing but how you can implement in Java. So I want to go for Python implementation. So how you can able to implement in Python? Sir, very simple. Because in Python we have shortcut also is there, right? So this much lengthy code is not required. Just have a look once. So n I am reading, L is equal to int of I for each input I. So if, sir, we can take one condition. If I is double equal to I of colon colon minus 1. So I of colon colon minus 1 means what? It is returning reverse of the given number. that is reverse of the given string. So whatever reverse is equal to same, such type of numbers alone it will collect and it will be stored in a list. Now we are finding some of those elements, nothing more than that. Let me run the code. Is it working or not? Yes, and submit the code. Perfect. So hope it is very clear for you people. Please confirm, friends, do you have any doubts up to this? Yes, I am requesting every students to please respond. Up to this, do you have any doubts, friends? Please confirm. No, we should not return boolean value because I am expecting the reverse, Lokesh. So my expectation is a reverse. We will get a number. If that number is equal to original number, then I am adding some. Okay. So if you want, you can check. If you want, you can write is pally function. You can take, you have to store that n into temporary variable. You have to compare and then you can return boolean value. Okay. Sir, let me go for the next challenge. LBP number 107. Sir, what is this challenge? Sum of sir strong numbers in the array. So what is mean by strong number? Sir, very simple, sir. If you are taking any number, okay, so you have to calculate the factorials of the individual digits. 1 factorial plus 2 factorial plus 3 factorial. 1 factorial is 1, sir. 2 factorial is 2, 3 factorial is 6. What is the sum, sir? 8, 9, which is not equal to the original number. Suppose if you take 145, 1 factorial plus sir 4 factorial plus 5 factorial. 1 factorial is 1, 4 factorial is 24, 5 factorial is 125. If you, sorry, 5 factorial is 120. If you add all the things, sir, 145 we will get. Yes, this number is said to be strong number. Strong number means what? Individual digits sum factorial, it should be equal to the original number. Such type of numbers are said to be strong numbers. Clear up to this? Please confirm. Is the definition is clear for you people? Concept is clear? Please confirm. Yes. Now I will go with C language implementation, sir. How you can able to solve this problem in C language? How you can able to solve this problem in C language? Just have a look once. Sir, same program only I am taking. So same program I am taking, but small modification. Okay. So E is strong. In this place I am taking, sir, E is strong. E is strong, or we can take like this also, right? We need some, right? That's why I will take some function. Otherwise strong like this I am taking. Strong is nothing but a function. Sir, I am defining strong function which will take a number. Sir, instead of reverse, what we have to calculate? Sum, sir. How you have to calculate a sum? Sum is equal to sum plus factorial. Sum plus a factorial. So what is that factorial? Here we have to calculate. Sir, integer I is equal to 1, factorial is equal to 1, I less than or equal to d, I plus plus. Okay, f is equal to f into I. I am calculating factorial for the digit. So if the first digit is 1, 1 factorial, it will calculate that result I am adding to the sum. Suppose if a digit is 2, 2 factorial, it will calculate and it will add to sum. Okay, sir, finally you have to return the value of sum, sir. If the returned sum is equal to the original element in the array, then we have to calculate sum. Sir, very simple logic. Sir, here there are some problems, I think so. I didn't declare the variable called I. That may be the reason. Let me recompile it. Successfully working, and even if you submit the code, all the test cases will be satisfied. Fine, sir. I want to implement the same code in Java. Okay, I want to go for Java implementation. Sir, how you can able to solve this problem in Java? Let us have a look once. Sir, the program is the same. The program is the same. I am not going to change anything. Same Java program I am taking. But what modification we have to do here? Sir, in the place of reverse, let me take strong for your understanding purpose. So here also I am taking strong. Then some extra variables must be required. Sum is equal to 0, I comma factorial. Then here for I is equal to 1, f is equal to 1, I less than or equal to d, I plus plus. For the digit, you have to calculate factorial. Then, so what is the formula for sum, sir? Sum is equal to sum plus whatever factorial you got. Finally, return the value of sum. That's all. Let me submit the code. You can see 3 test cases are passed successfully, and submit the code for final approval. Yes, all the test cases are passed successfully. This is nothing but how you can implement in Java, sir. I want to go for Python implementation. Okay, how you can able to solve this problem in Python? Sir, reverse function, very simple. See, in the reverse, initially reverse is equal to 0. We extracted the digit, and reverse is equal to reverse into 10 plus d. That is the formula. But here this formula won't work because we are not calculating reverse. That's why sum is equal to initially 0. Sir, every time digit will be calculated. For this d, we have to find out factorial. That is the logic here. Okay, I is equal to 1, factorial is 1, I less than or equal to d, I plus plus, factorial is equal to factorial into I, sum of factorial, sir. Sir, now whatever result you are getting, I am adding to sum. That's all. Beyond that, nothing. I didn't modify anything. I replaced R with S. Okay, and I changed this reverse is equal to reverse into formula, and I calculated a factorial. Clear, Lokesh? Yes, sir. Now I want to go with Python program. I want to go with Python program. How you can able to solve? But here we don't have any inbuilt tools, sir. Compulsory, we have to do manually only. So I will write one function. Okay, what is that function? Is nothing but sir, if int of I is double equal to sir strong of int of I am passing that value to strong function. If it returns the same value, then it is a strong number. So def, I am taking strong of n. Here also, as usual, sum is equal to 0. Okay, while the value of n is not equal to 0. Sir, luckily you can calculate a digit, no need to find the factorial. So because in Python, math.factorial function is there, right? So directly we can calculate, sir. Okay, directly you can calculate. Then n is equal to n by 10. Then I'm going to return the value of sum. That's all. Beyond that, nothing. But if you want to work with this, we have to import one package. What is that package, sir? Math. Let me run the code. Sir, working successfully, and submit the code for final approval. So you can see all the test cases are passed successfully. Sir, it is in queue. Yes, this is nothing but how you can implement in Python. Please confirm, friends. Do you have any doubts up to this? Any doubts, friends? Please confirm. I am requesting everyone to please respond. Right, sir. I am requesting every student, please respond. Yes. Sir, now let me go for the next program, LBP number 108. Sir, some of the elements in an array which are ending with 3. Sir, how you can able to identify whether that element is ending with 3 or not? Very simple, sir. If you divide that array element with percentage 10, if remainder is 3, then that number is ending with 3. For example, if you take 122, percentage 10 means what answer we are going to get? 2. Sir, 123 percentage 10 means what answer we are going to get? 3. Sir, is it ending with 3 or not? Yes. So how to decide that a of I percentage 10 is equal to 3 means such a type of elements sum we require to calculate. Of course, how you can calculate sum of even numbers, sum of odd elements in the array, in the same way we have to do, but the problem is nothing but we have to take that element individually. Clear up to this, friends? Please confirm. Do you have any doubts? Okay. Yes. So let me go for C language implementation, sir. Let me go for C language implementation. Sir, for this, I am going for sum of array elements program. Okay. Somewhere we calculated even numbers, some odd numbers, some like that, right? Same program I am taking. Okay. So let us implement in C language. So what we have to do, sir? A of I percentage 10 is double equal to 3 means such a type of elements only we have to add. Success. Submit the code. So you can see all the test cases are passed. I think no need to explain. The same program I can copy paste. But what is the logic that we have to take? A percentage 10 is double equal to 3. So here also A of I percentage 10 is double equal to 3 because ending with 3, such a type of elements only. Sir, here also percentage 10 double equal to 3. Okay. So I think it is a very easy program only. Next one, sir, very, very important. LBP number 109. So what is this program? So search for an element in an array. We have to write an application, sir, to search for an element in an array. Okay. Sir, I will implement the first program in C language. So search for element means what? So you have to create an array and you have to read the elements from the user. Okay. Then which element you want to search, that element also you have to read. If you see the sample inputs, 5 is nothing but array size. Total 5 elements we have given, and I want to search for the element called 3, sir. Is that element is available or not? Yes, that element is available. Okay, sir, where that element is available? So 0th location, first location, second location. That's why it is returning the location number 2, sir. Okay, next, sir, 4 I want to give. 4 elements are there. So I am searching for the element 23. 0th location, first location, second location, in third location it is available. Sir, if element is not available, what we have to return? So anyway, here they didn't provided any constraint. Hence we have to return -1, sir. Okay, if element is not available, we have to return -1. Don't worry, I will implement the program in C, Java and Python. Please confirm, do you have any doubts up to this? Is the logic is clear for you people? Please confirm. Yes, we have to return the position, correct, index value. Yeah, sir, let me go for coding, sir. Okay, I want to solve this problem. Observe carefully. Integer n I am taking, so a of 100 I am taking, comma, the value of key, and then index is equal to, I am taking -1, sir. Index is equal to -1. Sir, I want to read the data from the user. Scanf percentage d, comma, ampersand n I am taking. Sir, for I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, I want to read the elements. Scanf percentage d, comma, ampersand a of I. I am reading all the array elements. So immediately you have to read the key value or not? Yes, we have to read the value of a key. Sir, I accepted the key. Then, sir, for I is equal to 0, okay, I less than n, I plus plus. So what is my requirement is nothing but if the value of a key is double equal to a of I. Okay, if the value of a key is double equal to a of I am taking index is equal to I. That means that element is available means what? That is nothing but the index. Then I am going to break the loop. After completion of this entire for loop, I want to print the value of index. So which contains the location if the element is available. If element is not available, it contains -1. Let me run the code. Perfect. And submit the code. So this is nothing but how you can able to solve this challenge. Next, I want to do the same program in Java. Okay, I want to implement the same program in Java. So let us go with Java implementation. Sir, how to solve in Java? The process is the same or not? Yes. So what is the first step? We have to take a scanner. Obj is equal to new scanner. I am taking within bracket system.in. Then integer n is equal to obj dot next int. I am taking. What are the required variables? Sir, index is equal to -1. We need to read key value and we have to take I. So integer a is equal to new integer of n. Then the value of key is equal to obj dot next int I am taking. Then, sir, for I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Okay, so if the value of key is double equal to a of I, then I want to take index is equal to I, sir. Then I am going to break the loop. So finally, system dot out dot println of I am taking index. That's all. So let me run the code. Sorry, somewhere the problem is there. Have a look once. Any problem? Sir, we didn't accepted the value of array, right? Have you observed? Array elements I didn't accept it. Without that I am doing the program. That's why there is some issues. So now you can able to run the code. Perfect. Yes, all the test cases are passed. This is nothing but how you can implement in Java. Sir, I want to implement the same program in Python. I want to implement the same program in Python. Let us see how you can able to implement in Python, sir. Sir, in Python, there is one small concept is there. So what is that concept is nothing but, sir, do you know n is equal to int of input I am taking. Next list is equal to, sir, int of I for each I value in, sir, input dot split. I accepted all the array elements. Next, I am reading key value also from the user. Sir, if the value of key is in L, it will return true or false. In operator will return true or false. If element is available, it will return true. If element is not available, it will return false. Suppose if the value of key is there in list, so then I am trying to find out L dot index of key. So it will return that index, sir. Suppose if that element is not available, what will happen? I want to print -1. So inbuilt function is there called index, which will return the exact matching position. That's all. How simple, right? Whatever algorithm we implemented in C language and Java, sir, for the same requirement, we have an inbuilt function is there in Python. What is the name of that function, sir? Index. Beautiful. So I think the concept is very clear for you people. Please confirm, friends. Do you have any doubts up to this? Yes, I am requesting every student to please respond. In Java, see, first initial value of index is nothing but -1. Then I am creating an array with n elements. So for each I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, I am reading each and every element from the user. Okay, I got all the elements. Then we have to read input also, so which is nothing but a key element. Now what is my requirement? For I is equal to 0, starting from 0th location, so till end of the array, every element I am going to compare with the key. So if it is true, then what is the meaning? That element is available in the array or not? Yes, of course. So then what we have to do, I am capturing that index value and then I am terminating the program. I am capturing that index value and then I am terminating the program. Okay, that's all clear. Can we do without index? Yes, this procedure you have to apply in Python because core concept I explained, right? So without inbuilt function you can do. Clear, Lokesh? Hmm. We can print, no problem. We can do like that. Yeah, it will run. See, for a single program, multiple ways will be there, no issues. Sir, next one, very very important, sir. Please concentrate well. Sir, trust me, I am telling, sir, more attention must be required for this program. More attention. Okay, so if you know this program, 70% of arrays programs you can able to solve. Trust me, in various interviews, in various coding challenges, this program alone, they are going to twist the program and they are going to implement. So more twist will be there. That's why I am requesting everyone to please participate actively on this. Okay, so sort the elements in an array in ascending order, sir. We have to sort the elements in an array in ascending order. Let me see how you can able to do this. So sorting means what? Arranging the data in ascending order. Sir, first I will explain with the help of so paint, then you will get some idea. So consider the elements are nothing but something like 3 1. Okay, sir, 4 2 5, like this we have. So what is my output, sir? My output is nothing but, assume I want to print in ascending order, like this we have to get. So what is your first duty, sir? You have to take the first element, compare with 1. Is 1 is very lesser than these 3? Yes. Then swap. Here you will get 1. So here you will get 3. Then compare 1 with 4. No, it is lesser value only. Okay, no problem. Sir, compare 1 with 2, lesser value only. Sir, compare 1 with 5, lesser value only. So the first element got sorted, right? So take the remaining slot. What is the remaining slot? 3 4 2 5. So next what we have to do, take a third element. Yeah, please wait, Lokesh, let me finish my explanation. Okay, So I'm comparing 3 with 4. Sir, 3 is less than, so no swapping is required. Sir, 3 is greater when compared with 2, swapping must be required. So interchange the content. Next, compare 2 with 5. No swapping is required. So 2 is nothing but the sorted element. So next, what we have, sir, 4 and then 3 and then 5. So next, I am selecting 4. Sir, 4 is greater than 3. Swapping must be required. So interchange the content. Next, compare 3 with 5. Yes, no swapping is required. 3 is nothing but the sorted element. So what is the next elements that we have? 4 and 5. Sir, compare, no swapping is required. So keep as it is. Sir, we have only one element. That's why we are keeping as it is. So I hope you got the clarity. For this, I will write the algorithm, sir. Try to understand. For I is equal to, starting from 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Okay. So what is my requirement is nothing but, so I want to take another loop. Okay. I want to take another loop. So for j is equal to, I want to start comparison from I plus 1, j less than n, j plus plus. Have you observed whatever diagram I explained? Same thing I am writing here. So starting with the first element, compare with remaining all the elements. That's why I have taken one more loop. First loop is to select the element. Second loop is to compare with all the remaining elements. So now if a of I is greater than a of j, that means if the first element is greater when compared with the second element, swapping must be required or not? Yes. T is equal to a of I, then I am taking a of I is equal to a of j, swapping logic I am writing. Then a of j is equal to t. That's all. So whenever the element is greater, then swapping it is going to be done. Sir, trust me, if you execute this logic, all the elements in the array will be sorted, sir. Sir, please confirm, is this chota logic and example is clear for you people? Please confirm. If it is clear, I can go for implementation. Sir, trust me, with the help of this, I can do n number of programs, sir. Okay. For a function, you have to pass array as an argument. So no. For a function, you have to send array as an argument. Pratik, just now I explained, right? That's what I'm telling. While taking the session, please concentrate well. Okay. Because every pin to pin is very, very important, sir. That's what I'm telling. So observe carefully. Someone is asking, sir, how? Sir, very simple. If you take any function, send that array as an argument. That's what I am telling. So in the function, you can write this code. Okay. You should have a knowledge in programming. How to apply functions concept that you have to aware. Okay. Sir, observe carefully. I am taking first element in the for loop. First element in the loop, sir. So then, yeah, we can use Lokesh. In C language, this function is there, Lokesh. Yeah, I didn't went to Java code. First, try to understand the core concept well. Then you can go. I will explain, don't worry. That's what I told. Please wait. So for I is equal to 0, first element I am taking. Then is it less than n? Yes. So you have to compare with the remaining elements starting from 1, 2, 3 like that. If any element which is less than this element came, so that means if this element is greater than this element, then I am implementing swapping logic. Swapping means what? Holding that value into temporary variable and interchanging these values. Okay. What is the first step? You have to take the first element, So what is the second loop task? You have to compare with the remaining all the elements. If anywhere the element is larger means, then you have to interchange. Clear, Pratik? One loop is to select the element. Second loop is to compare with remaining rest of the elements. So let me implement this program in C language, sir. First, I want to implement this program in C language. Let me solve this problem. Let us see here. Okay. Sir, directly I am choosing C language. Sir, please concentrate well. Integer a of 100 I am taking n. So two loops we are using. One temporary variable is also required. So scanf percentage d comma ampersand n I am taking. Fine. Then for I is equal to 0, I less than, okay, I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Sir, again I am taking scanf percentage d comma ampersand a. I am reading the array elements. So fine. What is your next duty? Sir, you have to implement the logic whatever I explained. For I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. What is the next loop? For j is equal to I plus 1, j less than n, j plus plus. So what is the next loop? If a of I is greater than a of j, sir, t is equal to a of I is equal to a of j. So a of j is equal to t, swapping logic. So after completion of this, I need to print all the elements. Anyway, those elements will be sorted. So we will get that sorted list only. Okay. So let me run the program. Perfectly working, and submit the code. Yes, this is nothing but how you can able to implement in C language. Sir, I want to go for Java implementation. Sir, whatever logic we explained in C language, so in Java, we have predefined methods are there. Using that predefined methods, we can sort the elements. So scanner obj is equal to new scanner I am taking. So system dot in integer. So we required I comma j is also not required. I comma n is required. So next, so n is equal to, sorry, integer a is equal to new integer of n I am taking. Now for I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, a of I is equal to obj dot next int. Like this we are reading. So what is your next requirement? Sir, we have to sort the array. Is one predefined class is there called arrays. Arrays dot sort we can use. Arrays dot sort of a. So after this, we have to print all the elements present in the array. So system dot out dot print of a of I followed by some space. That's all. Sir, all the elements will be printed according to ascending order only. Perfect. So this is nothing but what we have, sir. Java implementation. So let me go for Python implementation. So how you can able to solve this problem in Python? In Python also we have predefined functions are there. So no need to depends on any user defined code. So n is equal to, I am taking int of input. Okay. L is equal to, sir, I am taking int of I for each I value in input dot split. How you can able to sort? L dot sort. Automatically each and every element present in the list will be in sorted order. I want to print the elements and end is equal to space, because space separated values it is going to print, sir. Beyond that nothing. Let me run the code. Is it working or not? Yes, perfect. And submit the code. Yes, all the test cases got success. This is nothing but Python implementation what we have. Sir, please confirm up to this. Do you have any doubts, friends? Any doubts up to this? Okay. Yes. Sir, what is the name of C code? There is no name. It is nothing but core logic, core concept I implemented. Okay. In C language, we don't have any alternative. Compulsory, we have to implement like this only. Bubble sort, like the time. It is called as a selection sort, not a bubble sort. Selection sort. Yeah. Sir, that's all about today's session. So tomorrow class is there, sir. Same link. Both the batches have to attend. So tomorrow class timings are, sir, 7:30 p.m. to 9 p.m. 1.5 hours I am going to take the class. So tomorrow and the day after tomorrow, both days. Okay. Yeah. So tomorrow, Saturday, Sunday. Yes, yes. Saturday and Sunday, we have the session from 7:30 to 9. So last week, I didn't took the classes, right? That's why. Yeah, videos are up to date. You can able to cross check because I am uploading on daily basis. No, no. Holiday is what, man? For 1 hour or 2 hours. Anyway, your college or office is leave only, right? So tomorrow 6 p.m. class not there. 6 p.m. classes are not there. Tomorrow and the day after tomorrow, 6 p.m. class is cancelled. So this special class alone will be there. Okay. Oh, okay, okay. No issues. Yeah, thank you. So tomorrow and the day after tomorrow, you have to attend from 7:30 to 9, sir. Thank you.